Hi all, welcome to MESI 3395. I would walk you over the syllabus today, okay? I am Dr. Kakuli Bandopadhyay and I go by Dr. B. My office is in room 237. My office number is 8808627. Use Blackboard for any kind of communication. If you need to write to me about anything other than the course material or the course related information, then you can use the Lamar email address. But for anything course related, please use Blackboard. I will be keeping office hours Tuesdays and Thursdays between 10 and 11, and I will be available online during that time also. And I have given you the web address for the online chatting facility. You can get into that and you can see me online, you can see me, you can hear me, you can chat, you can talk to me also. Course objective, this course is e-commerce design and development, and we also teach SAP enterprise portals within this class. So this course, part of the class is on the theory and practice of conducting business over the internet, okay, and the key business and technology elements of electronic commerce are covered, and the other half is on SAP enterprise portals, and we will use the modules SAP NetWeaver and SAP Visual Composer. Okay, learning outcomes are the familiarity with the concepts of e-commerce, knowledge about the technology infrastructure of e-commerce, business strategies, the web server hardware, software, electronic commerce software, security and payment systems, etc. And also apart from that, you will develop skills in SAP NetWeaver and SAP Visual Composer. ADA compliance, please look at that. Drop and withdraw date, look at that. Teaching materials is the 9th edition of the book Electronic Commerce by Gary Schneider. Everything is available from Blackboard, and I will be using Adobe Connect. I have given you this URL before. If you click on that URL during the time that I am available online, 10 to 11 Tuesdays and Thursdays, you can conference with me. Recommended software is SAP NetWeaver Enterprise Portals and SAP NetWeaver Visual Composer. You can download SAP. Also, you can get a CD from room 214 GB or from room 237 GB, Galloway Building. Okay. There will be 2 exams. Both exams are accessed through Blackboard, please do not submit anything late. It's very important in an online class that all assignments are submitted on time. Okay, so this is the grading scheme. Exam 1 25 points, exam 2 25 points, SAP assignments 180 points, and other assignments, non-SAP assignments 120 points. So together 350 points. And grading scheme is 315 and above is A, 280 and above is B, so on and so forth. Okay, SAP help, you can take help from me, or you can take help from Miss Lee Simmons, who works Monday through Thursday 9:45 to 1:30. I have given you her email, her phone number, and her room number. Also, I think one of Lamar MIS senior student would be helping us for 10 hours every week. Once it gets settled, I'll post her office hours and her contact information also. Academic honesty, it's very important that you submit your own work. If you submit somebody else's work, you will be immediately caught, because we have methods of checking, and then you get a 0 for the assignment. If it happens again, you get an F for the whole course. Okay, this is the tentative work schedule. I have given you study guides, I have given you different assignments, they are due on different dates. Okay, and this is pretty much comprehensive. You look at the day and you see what are the different things that are due on different dates. Okay, I see a issue here. September 22 no class Turkey Day. This is wrong, so I have to change it. And you should work on assignment 8 on that day. Sorry about that. Okay. and we start SAP on October 11. So before that we do work from our book. Okay, now I'll take you to Blackboard. This is the Blackboard shell that you should be in, Macy 3395, and here you can see the syllabus. Okay, click on that and you get to see the syllabus. Okay, so the same mistake here, I'll fix it. And then also you will see here at the book slides. Okay, these are the chapter study guides. I have prepared study guide for each chapter. So if you look at it, you will see this is your chapter study guide. This is what I want you to study from chapter 1. Okay, now come here, you will see the lecture videos. I have videotaped lecture from all chapters and they are here. Then you will see non-SAP assignments. These are the first assignment is due on August 25. These are all the different assignments, non-SAP assignments. Okay, SAP slides, they are here. SAP access information, how to access SAP, that's information is here. SAP assignment videos are here. Okay, I have walked you through each assignment, and then SAP assignments are here. All the assignments are loaded here. Exams will be conducted from here. I haven't posted the exam yet. Okay, so this is basically your way to work. If there is any question, feel free to come online Tuesday, Thursday between 10 and 11, or I'm in room 237 if I'm not teaching a class, or if I'm not in a meeting, I'm in my office. Okay, so work on your assignments, submit them on time, look at the material that are available to you. Okay, and I believe we will have a productive semester. Thank you and have a good day.